Hi everybody, it's Karen LaBruin from Boulder Bay Real Estate here in beautiful Big Bear Lake, and this is my favorite time of year. We have the most amazing fireworks display, and if you're not here this year, you should make a plan to be here next year. My sister's here with me and it's their first time, but I guarantee it won't be their last time. So we look forward to seeing you this summer. Come enjoy all the fun that Big Bear has to offer and make a plan to be here next 4th of July so you can experience it along with us. Bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Took my own advice, I put it over ice. I never seem to listen when you pour. I didn't treat you right, so now I'm thinking twice. You look so pretty walking out